This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in North Chesterfield. Today we're going to take a look at a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. This is new construction with a loft. It also has a side entry 2-car garage. You can see we've got other homes that are currently in progress directly across the street. Some of the blocks will be developed, but here we have a unique feature. This is a water feature, and it will be cleaned up here once they come closer to finishing development, and there will be no homes directly across, so that will remain. Therefore, I'm considering this waterfront property. This home was built for a buyer who unfortunately was not able to satisfy contingency, so they were able to work something out with that buyer on another property, and it brought this one to the market. Right now, real estate is extremely popular, especially in this price range in Central Virginia. And if you are looking to buy a resale home, the competition is really stiff. So a lot of buyers are opting for new construction just to eliminate the potential of being outbid and getting into bidding wars with other buyers that are in the market. One of the challenges right now for new builders is escalating lumber costs. If you've been watching the news, you probably have seen that lumber costs are going through the roof. Unfortunately, the builders have to pass that cost on to the consumer. So if you've been thinking about new construction, this may be a good time to go ahead and pull the trigger. The other reason is that interest rates are at record lows. We have people getting interest rates now below 3%. And if you look at history, that's extremely rare. We rarely see rates go this low, and so it definitely means that everything that is financed is on sale. Okay, as we come in, we have a interesting system. I'm going to show you our Ring doorbell here. That is a feature that is standard with this builder. They also have some more smart technology that is standard package on all of their homes. This is a luxury vinyl, I believe, that's on the floor. This controller here, the smart home system, has quite a number of advantages. I was in a model home previously in this subdivision, and the site rep was kind enough to give us a little explanation. I'll go ahead and put the link to that previous video here in the information of this one so you can review that. That was actually the same model as this home, except of course that was decorated. So I wanted to bring you this one that was unfinished, undecorated, and that way you can kind of see the difference. These homes are equipped with irrigation on the front and sides. Of course, we have our tankless gas-fired water heater. I know it's gas-fired because this here is our gas line. This yellow tubing here is gas line. That's your shutoff. And gas is the most effective way to use a tankless water heater. They do make them in electric, but unfortunately they are not nearly as efficient as the gas-fired tankless water heater. This garage does have an opener, of course, nice and convenient. If it's snowing or raining outside, you just pull in, hit your controller, and the door will, of course, go up. We are open here to our family room. Recessed lights, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. One of the rare things about this home is that all of our appliances are included, which includes range, refrigerator, washer, and dryer. So the only thing you'd have to bring would be your suitcases and your food. Your food would actually go right here in the pantry. We've got a nice walk-in pantry. Really good-looking kitchen. Ceramic tile backsplash. And our stainless dishwasher there at the end. Nice deep farmhouse sink. One of the things I learned about this builder, which is D.R. Horton, is that all of their plans actually have sinks on the island. We had someone that, actually one of my viewers asked if there were any sinks that were looking over the window, and all of their plans are with this modern style of having them in the island. So just a little fun fact there for you. Here on the rear, we are wide open. We've got a patio. This backyard if someone desired, they can actually get sod as an upgrade. So if you don't want to establish your own lawn, that is a possibility. Our exterior is the low maintenance vinyl that we see on many homes today. And let's go on back in and see what the rest of this home has in store for us. All right, I think I missed a closet that's here under the stairs. Good deep closet, so we've got plenty of storage under there. I imagine that panel there is for some of our cabling. One of the great features of new construction is they've already pre-wired and taken care of a lot of the cabling that you'll need here on a daily basis. Speaking of cabling, that is going to be our cover for our television and some additional jacks there below. Okay, let's go on upstairs and see what we have in store. This is a great time of year. The weather is nice and mild. We still have very strong demand here in this area for real estate. I've spoken with a number of families that are getting ready to relocate, and I'm just so excited for them. This is going to be a great time of year and a great real estate market to actually relocate. Okay, this is going to be bedroom number 1. With this being a 3-bedroom coming in at 2,200 square feet, they're able to give us nice sized bedrooms with good closet space. They didn't have to cram any 10 by 10 bedrooms in this floor plan. The loft is another good example. Here you've just got some additional space that you can use according to your needs. A lot of people really like that. That's going to be our carrier gas furnace. That's a gas line once again. These are our exhaust tubes. They're going to take those hot, nauseous gases out of the property. So you've got a good, efficient system there. Here to our right is going to be our hall bath. They did a great job giving us good space here in this hall bath. All right, our next bedroom is here on the front of the home. Nice and bright. You can see that light just flows in. The blinds are also included on this home. Blinds typically are not included in new construction, but you're going to get them on this home. A generous closet once again. And we're going to now transition into our laundry. We got laundry here, dedicated laundry room. So you could definitely get some additional storage overhead or even on that back wall if you needed to. Once again, those appliances do convey, very unusual in new construction to get every appliance that a home has capacity for. Okay, we are now in our primary, really good sized room. And they did a great job of giving us a nice big primary bath as well. They picked up that gray and white color scheme that we also saw in the kitchen. I know I've got some fans that really love to have these big tubs, and there it is for you. Good walk-in shower. You're gonna get a builder grade shower head, but if you buy this home, use me as your buyer's agent. You know I'll take care of you. We're gonna upgrade you with no problem. And here to the rear is going to be our water closet. Now, one of the new trends, of course, that we've seen in new construction is the primary closet here off of the primary bath. So here it is. You got a really good size closet here in this home. Nice convenient design. And by putting it here, it frees up the bedroom. You don't have an extra door, which means you have plenty of space on that wall or on that wall to actually make your bed walls. You got plenty of options here in this beautiful new home. Max Williams, 804-402-7788. You can reach on Facebook, under Richmond Area Foreclosures on YouTube, under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd be kind enough. Tell a friend that should be an owner. We would love to chat with them, get them into a home of their own. We have no money down financing available. There's grant money, all types of neat programs. I'd love to chat with you. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Y'all be safe. Have a great day.